Super smooth, super small and super portable. Insta360 released the Insta360 GO 2, which scores for super smooth video footage, a super tiny design, plus a variety of additional video functions like Hyperlapse, Timelapse, HDR, Slowmotion and much more. This makes the Insta360 GO 2 super versatile and the perfect action camera in any situation. Insta360 gave me the chance to test the Insta360 GO 2 before the official release, and here is my best of compilation. The Insta360 GO is the perfect always in my pocket camera. It's ideal for vlogging, traveling, hiking, sports and much more. The Insta360 GO 2 comes with a lot of useful equipment. For example, the magnetic pendant, where you can mount the GO 2 on your clothes. One of the biggest camera advantages is the non-intrusive design. The camera is so small that no one will notice it. Another cool accessory is the easy clip, for mounting the Insta360 GO 2 on your jacket. Additionally, you can get a pivot stand for creative attachment options. I would recommend you to also get the mount adapter. Then you are able to mount the Insta360 GO 2 on a selfie stick, which gives you additional creative freedom. The most important accessory is the camera case, where you can store, charge and operate the camera. The case is super small and fits perfect in any pocket. Additionally, you can use the case as mini tripod or handle to record videos. The most important purpose of the case is the camera operation. When you open the case, the Insta360 GO 2 powers on automatically. Now you can switch the modes or start recording. This works also when the camera is outside the case. Here are the Insta360 GO 2 key facts. Dimensions 33 by 24 by 21 mm. Weight 26.5 grams. 32 GB internal storage. Maximal resolution 1440p at 50 fps. Maximum frame rate 120 frames per second. Maximum bitrate 80 megabits per second, battery duration and recording time up to 30 minutes, in combination with the case even longer. Waterproof up to 4 meters. With the Insta360 GO 2, the following camera modes can be selected. The first one is the standard video. Here the video comes out of the cam, with the basic in-camera stabilization, the selected ratio, resolution, frame rate, field of view and color profile in the MP4 format. With the photo mode, you can capture photos up to 9 megapixels. You can activate the self timer, turn on the RAW mode for maximum quality and select the field of view. The Pro Video is my favorite camera mode. You can record videos up to 1440p and 50 frames per second with the powerful Insta360 flow state stabilization. In post-production, you unleash the full power of the Pro Video mode. With the smartphone app or the Insta360 Studio, you can adjust the video according to your wishes. you can switch on the FOV between ultra-wide, POV+, linear plus and linear. When you activate the flow state stabilization, you see how powerful this feature is. The results are super smooth videos. In the time shift mode, you can create amazing hyperlapse videos. Just attach the Insta360 GO 2 on your body, press record and move forward. Create awesome time lapses with the Insta360 GO 2 timelapse feature. Simply place the camera wherever you want and start recording. The HDR video mode is perfect in difficult lighting conditions. This mode allows you to capture a higher dynamic range. The last mode is the SloMo video mode. The SloMo mode allows you to record videos with 120 FPS. This leads to a 5 times SloMo effect if you play back the video at 24 frames per second. This feature is really cool if you enjoy creating slow motion videos. Overall, there are enough video modes available to create an amazing film. Here are some additional interesting informations. The Insta360 GO 2 uses horizon lock stabilization in the Pro video mode. You can rotate the camera in any direction. The horizon always stays horizontally. You can use 9:16 ratio to record vertical, smartphone optimized videos. You can connect the Insta360 GO 2 with your smartphone. This allows you to control, preview and edit your videos in the Insta360 app. The magnetic design allows you to mount the Insta360 GO 2 on every iron surface. The Insta360 GO 2 has a changeable camera lens glass. The lens glass can simply be unscrewed. This also makes it possible to mount lens filters, such as ND filters. In summary, I'm very excited about the Insta360 GO 2. It's the perfect always in your pocket camera. Due to extremely small design, the camera can be taken anywhere. You can put it on your pocket in any situation, whether on vacation, hiking, doing sports or anywhere else. If you want to capture a special moment, just open the camera case and immediately start filming. In my opinion, the Insta360 GO 2 is optimal for POV shots and sport action camera shots. Due to super small design, it can be attached anywhere without limitations. What I appreciate most is the good video quality and smooth stabilization. For a camera of this size, that's really impressive. If you want to purchase the Insta360 GO 2, check out the link in the description and get yours now. Additionally, I can offer you an Insta360 coupon code where you can save up to $15 if you buy the Insta360 GO 2 through my link. Check out the link in the description. Attention, strongly limited. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to my channel and look forward to more camera reviews, tutorials and test videos.